Naija people don bring Ogbonge Bishop news Tori. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on some Tori wey be say it just happened. Earlier today, the Labour Party presidential candidate wey be Peter Obi don come accuse Independent National Electoral Commission say dem no wan allow Labour Party to check the materials and BVAS machine wey dem use to do the vote for February 25th presidential election. As he also come even chook mouth to come advise all the obedient dem wey dey for inside Nigeria say make dem go out on March 11, 2023 to vote all the obedient governors dem and also to vote for all the obedient House of Assembly for the election wey go happen on Saturday. Plenty Labour Party supporters wey dem dey call obedient dem don dey vex after wey dem see one poster wey All Progressive Congress governorship candidate for inside Delta State use Peter Obi picture dey do campaign as dem come use razor take cut Peter Obi picture take comot from the poster.
Comot now, see the way they cut am before.
India dey call about police don come arrest two Nigerians wey be say dem carry 167 capsules of cocaine for inside their belle and na for Mumbai airport to India na im dem catch dem wey be say dem carry dem from Lagos wan enter inside India. Labour Party supporters wey dey for inside Enugu wey be obedient dem don dey vex after wey dem see dis billboard wey the People Democratic Party governorship candidate wey im name be Peter Mba for inside Enugu dey use obedient dem dey campaign as im come write for Igbo say obedient dem na for Mba. The Labour Party presidential candidate wey be Peter Obi with im legal team don come fall in appeal court to start the application on top the file wey Independent National Electoral Commission dey talk say they wan reconfigure their BVAS because of the March 11 governorship election and also the House of Assembly election.
The president is in court.
For on top this interview wey dem interview Onyechi Ikpeazu, senior advocate wey be the Labour Party lead lawyer legal team don come talk say Independent National Electoral Commission dey plan make dem remove all the voting evidence for inside the BVAS and other materials wey be say dem use to do the vote on February 25th, 2023. Na im make dem come out to come talk say they wan reconfigure all their machines.
And the other application which is of utmost importance is that the INEC intends to proceed to reconfigure BVAS machines, and what that means is that they intend to wipe out that vital physical evidence, which is the most reliable evidence of accreditation data. And if that is wiped out, then all the petitions will be in jeopardy.
Plenty traders them and marketers they don dey cry after we fire burn their goods worth of millions for inside Akerele spare parts market wey dey for Olodi Apapa, Ajegule, Lagos State. As they come shoot by one security man, and this gbege happen for inside night wey some Omila boys them come the market, come shoot the security man take by, come even burn the market fire.
Guys, this is Akere Market in Ajegule, where they sell spare parts.
Some Yoruba youth they don gather themselves for come dey do inaugural protest. They want the Igbo people they wait for inside Lagos. Say may they obey their culture and may they respect their Oba, and they must vote for APC governorship candidate wey be governor of Lagos State, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. The Labour Party governorship candidate wey name Gbadebo Road Vivo don come put smile for face of plenty traders dem wey be say fire burn their market wey be Akerele spare parts market for Olodi Apapa, Ajegule, Lagos State. As im go visit the place wey be say the market burn, come dash the marketers dem 15 million naira. The People Democratic Party presidential candidate will be Atiku Abubakar don come gather in legal team about 19 senior advocates of Nigeria to challenge the result of February 25th of presidential election, and they yarn this talk on March 8, 2023. The Ogbonge Nigerian musician wey name be Nice wey promise us Grammy and will not see don come dey waka off on top this video from house to house to dey do campaign for the APC governorship candidate of Lagos State wey name be Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. Bishop News O'clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.